Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to set iPhone clock in the front of the wallpaper. For example, as you can see, iPhone had introduced their latest iOS 26 on my iPhone devices. So if you have installed the latest iOS 26 on your iPhone, then you have noticed that the wallpaper uh, clock is shown behind the wallpaper, so it has the feature. So if you want to change this feature and you want to use the clock on the front side so that you can simply see the clock properly, so how you can set this clock and how you can customize this clock, for this what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So here you have simply go to settings, and here you have simply go to wallpaper, and after that you have to simply click on customize wallpaper, and here you can simply find all the details here. So here option is available. So this effect is called depth effect. So if you turn this on, your clock will be in front of the wallpaper. As you can see, now I have set the wallpaper according to the clock in front. As you can see, now clock is in front of the wallpaper. So as it is shown as a liquid glass feature, now if you want to change this setting, you can simply press and hold, and after that you have to simply click on customize, and you can simply again click on depth effect, and that effect will be applied, and after that your clock will be as same as previous one. So you can simply select these settings, and you have to make sure that you have turn on, and you have click on done, and after that your clock will be changed according to your settings, like if you want to set it in front of the wallpaper or behind the wallpaper, so you can set it. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.